Assalamu alaikum. Let me ask you a question. How many Muslims does it take to change the world? Maybe it's not about the number of Muslims, but about the quality of those Muslims. In an age of doubt, desire, and pressure, many young Muslims are struggling to find certainty in their faith. Without a solid foundation in transformative Islamic knowledge, many young Muslims are completely disconnected from their purpose. But we have an answer. By the permission of Allah, we're transforming the next generation of young Muslims, nurturing them to strengthen their conviction in the truth of Islam, to develop a relationship with their Lord, to deep clean themselves spiritually, to unlock the meanings of the Quran and a direct relationship with the Quran. And lastly, but certainly not least, to learn about the prime and the beautiful example of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Roots is delivering structured, relevant and transformative Islamic knowledge at over 41 sites between the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada and Australia globally, with over 2,000 students attending our workshops on a week-to-week basis. We also have hundreds of students from across the world online. But we're not stopping there. This is a huge mission, and it's one we can't embark on alone. We need your help. It's time to step up to save our ummah and invest in the young leaders of tomorrow.